morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we start this video off pretty in a chill mood but with already adventures. So today we woke up at 7 a.m. because our puppies woke us up and my fiance decided, you know what, let's get to the city nearby Vilnius. It's called Trakai here in Lithuania. It's actually such a cool city. It has a huge castle which I'm not sure if we'll go to, but maybe. And right now we decided to come to the lake because this city is filled with lakes. It's almost like, if you know TV show on Netflix Ozark, this is pretty similar to that city, so really cool. And today we're getting adventures and we're already starting strong. So we came to this place, you know, with this, how is it called? What is this? Doesn't matter. So we were here and we were curious how our puppies will, you know, react to the water because they never seen running water except Baloo. He saw a river but never a lake. And we just was going into this, you know, woody stuff and Yakari just walks right to the edge and he thought that all of that water is just a floor or something and he just falls heads down into the water. We're panicking and laughing while, you know, trying to take him out of the water, but everything is fine, as you can tell. No dogs were harmed during this video, but we're still laughing so hard from this. Okay, so we are starting today's vlog in Trakai and hopefully it will be a fun one, so join us.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We're cruising about 3,000 feet and I want you all to sit back, relax and take flight. Oh yeah.
Cheeky kids and Japanese Georgians, pink faces and snow white beds, flying cab dots, light as a ghost, spilled Pinot way on my carpet. Oh,
So we just had a little breakfast, ate kibinas, Agnes with pork, I with chicken, and right now we are walking next to this awesome castle. This is actually one of my favorite castles in Lithuania, and Lithuania have many castles, which is also a fun fact, right? Look at this. Oh my gosh, we actually could go inside and explore, but since we have puppies we cannot. It's still pretty cool. Actually inside we were many times. This whole town is really one of our favorites here in Lithuania because you probably can tell by the vibe, by the, you know, lakes all around us, by the boats. It feels like some kind of resort and it's so calm. There are not too many people. Yeah, really enjoying ourselves right now. Look at this. This is really old ancient castle. Years ago a princesses were walking next to it, maybe standing in this window and doing like yoo-hoo, yoo-hoo to the guys. I'm just doing poker face. Okay, yeah, let's proceed, right? Let's have more adventures.
next day.
Hi, it's actually another day. Today is Sunday and today we have a makeup-less Svetlana because I actually just don't feel like putting on makeup. So today I have a lot of stuff to do, so it's gonna be a busy day and I wanna take you along. Obviously not on the whole day, but just, plenty stuff. I need to water my plants, I need to prune some of my plants' dead leaves, like yellowing leaves, dry leaves. I also need to maybe propagate some of them. Not sure if we will go there, but buckle up, this part will be more plenty, relaxing, just chill evening at home while doing your plant chores and listening to some music. So buckle up and let's do some stuff. Okay, I really get this is an awkward angle, but right now we are in my bath and a lot of you actually were asking what kind of plant food I'm using. This is the one that I'm using, one by Schulz. This one is for orchids, but actually this works as magic for all of my plants, so I always keep on using this. I bought it, I think maybe 3 years ago now, and I still have so much left out of it, maybe half of it. So this is insane, and that's pretty much what I'm using. So how do I do this? Once again, I'm back with my Coca-Cola bottle. I add a little tiny bit of spoon, like so, into the bottle. Bam. And voila. So most of the time I start with my kitchen, and I know a lot of people love to take their plants to the shower and water them, to have less mess in their home and also to water the plants more truly, but I'm just not that kind of girl. I have over 100 plants and this would be way too crazy for me, so that works for me, I don't have a lot of plants in my kitchen, which is really helpful because actually having plants in the kitchen is not the best thing ever, since a lot of your cooking, steam gets onto your leaves and they become sticky. Especially cacti in kitchen is like a no-go for me at all because all of the spikes look so ugly later on. And here I have maybe under 10 plants. Bam, shabang, and here we are done. Another bottle. Today is actually such a dark day, really not the best day to film your plants all around the home, especially because I have a pretty dark home with north-facing windows, but let's make it work. Okay, so this is in this room. This is like my living room. I have most of my largest plants. Oh, look at this, my monstera is growing a new leaf. All of these plants need a little bit more attention from me. I need to dust them. But right now, since I have 2 puppies, dusting is like insane work because dust just cannot leave the home at all. It just stays in here. Look at this variegated monstera. It's growing a new leaf. It was actually attacked by thrips, so it doesn't look too happy, but I still am working on it. I guess I probably need to cut this leaf. Actually, I have pruners. This is my sister's plant, so she will freak out when she sees what I'm about to do. But you gotta do what you gotta do. I'm leaving a little bit of stem because, this one is growing out of it, so I wanna make it as happy as possible. Another bottle. On this side of my room, next to the couch, I have only 2 plants. This is my rescued Zizi, by the way. Look how fabulous it looks. Can you believe I found this plant next to the garbage containers? And look at it now, it looks really like a statement, right? And next to it I have my brand new philodendron hybrid of Atapapoense and Billitai, which I really love. Right now it stands in here since it's in quarantine because, it's a new plant in my large collection. I just wanna be 100% sure that it will be safe to bring it into my other plants. So for now, it's out here. Okay, right now let's go to the balcony. Please excuse the mess in here once again, the life is happening. But do you remember my fairy garden? Look at this, it's fabulous, it's thriving. It's been actually growing in this pot for over a year right now, and it looks stunning. Look at it. Oh, all right, right now we are in my favorite spot of my balcony. And a lot of stuff is going on in here, and since most of the plants in here are cacti, I won't be watering them. Oh, sorry. I won't be watering them, but we still will go through some of these plants. So I want to start with my Florida ghost that doesn't look too happy. Actually, I'm once again fighting trips on both of these plants. My anthurium actually lost most of its leaves because of the trips. The fight is real, guys. I'm so struggling. Here are actually cuttings from my ficus that once again I rescued as well. So let's give it a drink. Look at this gorgeous euphorbia, right? Next to it is my strelitzia that actually was knocked off by my puppies. So yeah, not doing too good right now, but hopefully everything will be fine later on. Here is my golden mustache plant that I rescued about a couple months ago, I think. Look at it. I love how sun-stressed it is and becoming purple. Looks so cool, right? And look at all of those babies coming out of it. Insane, right? It looks so fun. I love it. This is actually such a simple plant, but it has such a cool vibe to it and character, like witchy, you know, with all of these purple colors and stuff. So really love this one. Here is my avocado plant. Look at all of the branches. Look at all of the propagations going on. So happy about this one. Who knocked off my dishidia? So Baloo actually loves to go through my collection sometimes and just do his thing, you know? Sniff everything, move stuff around. Yeah, the dishidia once again also is not doing the best, but I'm trying to find what will work for it. Okay, so in this shelf I do not need to water anyone. In here I probably only need to water the aloes, sansevieria and adenium, so I'll do that, and then I will come to you guys so we can take all of those dead leaves from this adenium because it's not looking great. So, and yes, this euphorbia is still blooming. It's second month in a row and it still keeps on pushing new blooms. It's just crazy guys. Okay, I watered all of them. Right now let's pick up all of those dead leaves. This is what happens when you miss some of the waterings. And the sun is really intense in this balcony. Oh man. Oh, I see Agnes coming back home. I actually just love taking out all of those dead leaves. It actually feels so satisfying to immediately see plant looking so much better after taking off all of those brown and not beautiful leaves, you know. Look, it's already looking so much refreshed, but still it doesn't look too good. Okay, I actually just did the same thing with both of these aeniums, and I actually love how they look like little palms, right? Still needs to replant a fairy garden, but have no idea what kind of theme would work for plants like this two, like these two. I mean, maybe you have any ideas, a theme maybe that in your opinion would work perfectly with a fairy garden. Let me know, and maybe your idea will be my next video for the fairy garden, because I really want to do one really soon. So any ideas for plants like succulents and cacti, I don't know what would work, maybe something from a movie or fairy tale, leave me your inspo in the comments. And right now I think we're done in the balcony and we'll go to my bedroom. Alright guys, I think I picked up a wrong timing for this video, but I think this is where I will leave you. I know this is random, but my fiance just called. I need to go ahead and help him out a little bit, so that will take a while, and probably after coming back home I will already want to edit this video and upload it and just show it to the world, you know. So for now I think this will be enough for this video. Let me know what do you think. Comment what kind of ideas you think would work for a fairy garden with succulents. I cannot wait to hear all of your ideas. I'm so sure you'll have some cool and genius ideas, so please share them in the comments, like this video, subscribe if you enjoy plenty content and Eastern European lifestyle content probably, I'm not sure, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. And before leaving you, let me teach you another language lesson. So since I was in Trakai, this city filled with lakes, let me teach you how to see a lake in Lithuanian and in Russian. So if you want to see a lake in Lithuania, you need to say ežeras. Once again, ežeras. And if you want to see a lake in Russian, you need to say озеро. Oh, that took me a while. Once again, озеро. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!